Are you ready to sell your business? Probably not. Selling your business, whether you do it with an advisor or not, is a full-time job on top of operating your business day to day. Why do I say that? The amount of due diligence that you have to collect on your business and getting ready to sell is an important and critical step to make sure that you successfully sell your business. Selling a business as a business owner is a lot of work for you, but the reality is your life's a lot easier when you work with an M&A advisor. There's a lot of things that go in behind the scenes that you're unaware of that's actually happening. Whether that's creating marketing material, a teaser, a confidential information memorandum, dealing with dozens, if not hundreds of tire kickers before we actually get to somebody that's serious and qualified to actually talk to you about your business. And also late night phone calls, early morning phone calls, email communications, educating other people about your business. There are a lot of things that M&A advisors do that will make your life easier, and they are well worth it.